Hello, welcome to another wonderful series from mathematics. This is JAMB Mathematics 2019 past questions. We are not just solving the past questions, we are teaching you mathematics at the same time. So follow up any question that we are solving. We do it as if we are just teaching you the mathematics itself. So let's look at this question number 1. If you buy your JAMB past questions, you may see that what you have as your number 1 is not the same as this. It doesn't really matter. You can be having my number 1 in your number 20 or number 15. So what's important is that you get the concept that is being explained. So let's look at this. How many sides has a regular polygon whose interior angle is 135 each? So now we are looking at a regular polygon, any polygon that has equal sides. So it's a regular polygon. So these are the interior angles of a regular polygon, and it's telling us that it is 135 degrees each. All these angles are 135. But we want to know how many sides. Is it 1 side? Is it 2? Is it 3? Is it 4? Is it 5? Is it 6 sides? How many sides has the polygon? That is the calculation that we're about to do now. So this topic, you can find it under regular polygons. If you check out your textbook under regular polygons, you will see this topic. And the simple formula for this, whenever you want to find the number of sides of a regular polygon, you need to use a formula. And the formula simply says the number of sides minus 2 times 180 is equal to the angle obtained times the number of sides. So this is the formula that we are going to be using, because with this formula you can simply solve this. So we're going to be using this formula to solve this now. So using this formula, number of sides is what we want to calculate. So n minus 2. Now we have our 180 written, equal to the angles obtained is 135. So we also have our n. So we simply make n the subject of the formula. And to do that, we open this bracket. 180 times n is going to give us 180n, minus 180 times 2 is going to give us 360, equal to 135n. So make n the subject of the formula. You're going to have, take n to one side, so we have 180n minus 135n, because 135 coming over to this side. Then take this 360 to this other side, so it will be plus 360. So 180 minus 135, what will it give us? It will give us 45. So we have 45n equal to 360. So making n the subject of the formula, divide through by 45. So you have 360 divided by 45, which will give us 8. So 8 is the answer, and you can rightly say the option B, and that is the answer. So you see, from this question, you've been able to know that the formula for this number of sides of a regular polygon is n minus 2 times 180 equal to the angle theta times n. So when you make n the subject of the formula, you're going to get the answer. So answer is 8. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button by this side of your screen. Give us a thumbs up. Always like and share our videos so that your friends can see them. We are just starting the series. Mathematics is going to be very, very sweet. So please follow up. Hit the bell icon so that anytime we drop any video, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you, and God bless you. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. If you have videos on topics that you really want us to work on, drop them in the comment section. If you have any problems, you can call me on phone and I'll help you sort it out. Thank you, and God bless you.